Is Kodi not opening on your Fire TV stick? Is it crashing, buffering, or showing a blank screen? I know how frustrating that feels when you just want to watch your content. In this video, I will show you simple fixes that actually work. Let us fix Kodi step by step. Step 1. Restart your Fire TV stick. Many Kodi problems happen because the system memory gets stuck. Do this first. Go to Settings, then go to My Fire TV, then go to Restart. Wait for the Fire TV stick to restart completely. Now open Kodi again and check if it works. Step 2. Force stop Kodi and clear cache. Sometimes Kodi keeps corrupted temporary files. Clearing them usually fixes crashes and freezing. Go to Settings, then go to Applications, then go to Manage Installed Applications, then select Kodi. Select Force Stop, then select Clear Cache. Do not press Clear Data unless Kodi still does not work. Now open Kodi again. Step 3. Check your internet connection. Kodi needs a stable internet connection, especially for add-ons and streaming. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Unplug the router for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Also check the Wi-Fi signal on your Fire TV. Go to Settings, then go to Network. If your router supports dual-band Wi-Fi, try switching between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. Step 4. Update Kodi to the latest version. Old versions of Kodi often stop working with new Fire OS updates. Open the Downloader app on your Fire TV stick, then visit the official Kodi website. Download the latest stable version of Kodi, install it over your current version. This keeps your settings and usually fixes compatibility issues. Step 5. Disable problematic Kodi add-ons. Sometimes Kodi crashes because of a broken add-on. Open Kodi, go to Add-ons, then go to My Add-ons, then go to Video Add-ons. Disable any add-on that recently started causing problems. Many users report crashes caused by outdated streaming add-ons. Step 6. Update your Fire TV stick software. An outdated Fire OS can also break Kodi. Go to Settings, then go to My Fire TV, then go to About, then select Check for Updates. Install any available update, then restart your device. Step 7. Reinstall Kodi. If nothing works, reinstall Kodi. Go to Settings, then go to Applications, then go to Manage Installed Applications, then select Kodi, then select Uninstall. Then reinstall Kodi using the Downloader app from the official Kodi website. A fresh installation fixes most serious errors. If you face any difficulty, tell me in the comments. I reply to every comment within 1 hour. Please like this video, share it, and subscribe to TechVibes for more quick tech fixes. Stay confident, your device problems always have a solution. See you in the next video.